is Vedant, and I welcome you all to my channel, Vivacious Vedant. Today, I have a very interesting coding software for you guys, and I'm going to be starting a new series on this channel, which is coding, and I'm going to be starting with a very basic coding software, Scratch. So, I've picked a sprite, and this sprite's name is Starfish, and I'm going to be writing code. I also have a Scratch account, so you can follow me there. You have to go to Control, then we pick forever, and then we have to go to looks, then we have to pick next costume, and then we are gonna go to motion, and we're gonna pick a glide block, and then we are gonna be going into operators, pick random. We're gonna be picking random 1 to 10. Gonna be changing it to minus 200, and this one to 200. We're gonna be duplicating it, and then this one will be minus 100, and this one will be 100. We're going to be going into looks. We're going to be picking change color effect by 25, and then we're going to be going here, and then we're going to be picking pen option, and then we're going to be picking stamp. That is it for this project. I hope you enjoyed, and let me play it once. So I hope you like the project. So till then, we'll meet again. Bye!